Hi, I'm Neil Humphrey. This is a 1951 WD with a Model 33 corn picker. Come from Zawhides from Steelville. I bought it at his auction. And first time I ever got to run it, and it was pretty sweet.
Good morning. My name is Jenkel. I farm here in this area here on Pick Road and planted some corn this year. We plant our corn in 20-inch rows, and we took every other box off to where I had 40-inch rows. Neil, who you met earlier, had the picker and I had the corn, and worked out really great. I had never got to run one of these machines. My grandparents and my father had one, and I was just young enough to be able to go get all the wrenches that it took to put one of these on. It's really I think it takes two guys about a full day to mount one of these pickers on a tractor. But it was a really fun day. Kent videoed us. There were 3 different guys on the tractor. Neil ran it first, and then I ran it. I thought it was odd, you know, the yields back then were probably, you know, if you had 60 or 70 bushel corn, you had a bumper crop. And this old gal run in some 160 bushel corn the other day when we made the video. Actually, the operation of this picker, the corn did yield pretty well, and just a little bit faster than the low gear wanted to do. How'd you overcome that?
Yeah, it's got a hand clutch on it. It's oil bath, so you can slip it. So he's having to kind of slip the clutch and go slow through a lot of spots so it can handle all the corn coming in, because it was a lot.
And we had a little bit of grass problem in the hollows, the low spots, so we kind of had to slow down there. But this is the hand clutch on these old gals.
Yeah, that kept it where the PTO and the hydraulics were live all the time, so you could stop the tractor movement and keep your PTO running, hydraulics, and drop your bale or any kind of machinery, keep it running.
Really a fun day, and if you take time to watch the video, I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Thank you.